Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, in case, my name is Edward. Welcome again back as I welcome you. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make your frost long minus using a machine. Stay tuned with my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. This is the material that you are using to make the fro. Well, you want to make it strong, this is the material. It is called the molar. You can scoop it with a spade, then you carry it with a wheelbarrow. But for now, I have no wheelbarrow, I have no spade. But this is the material that is being used in fro so that it can be strong. And from there, you can have a look of the fro of how it is. Let me take you around the fro. That is the molar that have been revolized by the use of a tool minus a machine. The jerrycan that is the one that will be used to carry water. The functional part of this place is water. Water is needed in much, so you must use water. As you can see, we have started pouring water in the fro so that it can be strong minus using any machine. Hey. That is good, guys. You can see that is the water. We are taking the water from the tank there up to these jerry cans there. You can see that is it. So guys, that is another tool that we are going to use without a machine in making a fro. You can see that is a carpenter. He's doing it well there, so let's wait. That is a nail, that is another tool. So he's connecting on that stem there with a stone. You can see. Yes, he's just doing it. Guys, that tool is ready to be used. So I'm going to show you on how you can make a fro without using a machine. So that is the one who is going to use it there. Yes, that is a sample of how it is going to be used. Yes guys, that is how you can see. That is how you can use. That is the tool that is being used there when it's using any machine. The way is just scooping on the floor. It is the place where the water has been poured. So he must scoop it with a harder, energy there. You can see he's looking on the floor that is all levelized there. Just doing his own things, just levelizing the floor. Guys, that man is looking for water there. He wants to pour the water so that the floor can be strong. You can see the sample of how he's pouring the water. That is it. You can see just pouring the water there so that the floor can be strong. And then he's going to use that his own tool there to levelize the floor. That is minus using any levelizing machine here. And you can see how the floor is made from back there up to this front. That is it, man. You can see how the machine is working. start on the second round. Because here he's pouring the water on the floor so that it can be strong. It can be strong. There's another man helping him to pour the water there on the floor. You can see how strong that tool is, and that is a wooden tool. You can use a wooden tool and you can use also a metallic tool, but it matters on how cheap you will get the tool on where you are. So guys, as I told you, you can use any tool to make a floor levelizing minus using a machine. So this is the expert of it. Is the one who is looking after this place and how it is going to be. So my friend, just introduce yourself.
By the name I'm Ogeto Ben.
Yes.
And I coordinate the functionality of the work here.
Yes.
So I coordinate everything starting from sprinkling of water on the floor.
Yes.
And reinforcing of the stones using our simple tools. That's the tree lever.
So why do you prefer to use a tree lever minus using any machine?
It's cheap.
Yes.
So since it's man-made.
Yes.
It's cheap. What you only need is that logs of trees.
Okay.
Yeah, logs of trees, 2 logs of trees, and a few nails, and you make a T. You crisscross them to make a T.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why do you pour water on the floor? Then you start using that tool.
Simple knowledge, bro.
Yes.
Like for the stones, since the stones are loose and and they tend to be hard, so when you pour the water on the floor, it will be a bit simpler. It will be a bit simpler when you reinforcing the stones on the floor.
Okay. So after how long do you know that the floor is good and when?
It depends on the use. How fast are you on the urgency of the need you have.
Yes.
Like for the function we have now,
yes,
we pour a lot of water for it by tomorrow. Yes. The floor will be good with no dust, so that there'll be no dust since people will be they'll be on white.
Okay.
Yeah, so many people will be on white, so just simply to put down the dust and to have a cool environment. At least when you have some coldness on the floor, the environment around will be cool.
So how can you tell those people who are struggling to get money to go and look for the machine rather than using this man-made wood tool?
Just use your skills, bro. Everything use your upstairs.
Okay.
So there's no need that you use like 20,000 shillings to hire a machine. Yes. Whereas in your home you have 50 pieces of logs that has no work, for which you are putting them to be firewood.
Okay.
So use them well, and it will save your money. Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, bro, I appreciate you so much, man. So guys, you have heard about that expert who is modeling this part of the floor. He's very, very good in knowing on how to use that tool. So back to the work.
Yes, you're in the right place. You want to learn how Africans live every day? Well, keep watching as your Africa news reporter gives you the real culture of different countries in Africa.